Hello, my name is Marcus Partridge. I'm the Group Bindery Manager of Stevens & George Limited. We are a family-owned company in our 105th year. We employ 230 members of staff and we currently turn over in the region of £28 million per annum. We appraised the marketplace fully to decide, before we decided what saddle stitching line we wanted. I visited the factory in Switzerland, the Muller Martini factory, and following on from that visit, I decided that based on the user friendliness of the interface and the servo technology, it would be the right decision for our business, and it certainly has ticked all the boxes. The quality of the finished products off the Primera MCs is excellent. Since the investment of the Primera MCs, I've recognised a 20% improvement in performance, which is significant. The make-ready times on the new Primera MCs are significantly less than the older equipment. Prior to the investment of the Primera MCs, we were running 3 Prima stitchers. Since the investment, we now only run 2. So rather than running 3 machines as a norm, we now only run 2, and we have still seen a 20% improvement in performance. The Primera MCs have exceeded all our expectations. They actually do exactly what they say on the tin. They've already proved to be a very, very valuable servant to our business. This has been endorsed and rubber stamped by the ongoing service and excellent support from Muller Martini UK. We now consider them to be a partner, not just a supplier.